So I was scrolling on Facebook one day and I seen an ad for pop-on veneers. So I work with the public and my smile means a lot to me. I'm pretty self-conscious about it, so I thought let's give it a try. So I signed up to do it, and about a week later I got the impression molds. They were really easy to do. Done them at home, sent them back, and about 2 weeks later I got my pop-on veneers, and I was really nervous, also really excited because, as I said, I work with the public. Here's my teeth. They're broken off. They're very brittle and thin. So they came in this. They sent my exact mold replicas, which were exactly what my teeth were. And so these are the teeth. They just literally just pop on. So here's my smile before. I hate it. I don't smile. Pop on. And then. Look at that smile, you guys. It's beautiful. And now, I love to show my smile. So thank you so much. It's really boosted my confidence. I do have a little bit of a lisp. I think that will take some getting used to, but I'm extremely happy, and now I don't try to hide my smile or my teeth. So thank you.